Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Oasis EA for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, examine the features and settings provided by the developer, and then take a look at the historical backtest results to better understand how the EA has performed during testing. So starting with the marketplace page, Oasis EA is currently priced at 400 US dollars with a 1 year rental option available for 300 US dollars. The developer is Alexander Shogin, and the version listed here is version 1.0. According to the description, Oasis is an automated trading system developed for the MT4 platform. One interesting point highlighted by the developer is that the EA uses indicator-free mathematical calculation methods rather than relying on traditional technical indicators. All right. The marketplace page explains that the robot analyzes market conditions, evaluates multiple mathematical equations, and selects the highest probability scenario before opening a trade. As I continue through the description, the developer emphasizes that the EA is designed for both beginners and experienced traders with flexible capital management options and the ability to use different trading approaches through its available settings. Now, looking at the recommendations section, the EA can be used on any trading instrument available in MT4, and the developer states that any time frame can be used. The default settings are configured for Euro USD, and the recommended minimum account balance is $250. For trading conditions, the developer suggests using ECN, RAW, or Razor accounts with low spreads. Moving into the settings, there is a large amount of customization available. The EA includes trading session controls that allow traders to define start and end times, including separate settings for Monday and Friday trading schedules. There are also several mathematical analysis parameters such as differential, corrector, signal shift, signal factor, and adaptation to changing market conditions. Now, the EA also supports pending order functionality. Users can enable or disable pending orders, limit the number of pending orders, and configure placement and trailing distances. Beyond that, there are multiple profit management tools, including fixed profit targets, break-even functionality, profit trailing, and trailing stop controls. Risk management options are also included. Traders can choose between fixed lot sizing and automatic money management through the Auto MM setting, while additional controls are available for spread limits, slippage, and trade identification through a unique magic number. Now, let us move over to the historical backtest results. When reviewing any expert advisor, I always prefer looking at longer testing periods because they generally provide a broader view of how the system behaves across different market environments. So let us start by looking at the provided results here. This is for AUD JPY M15. $1,000 deposit. The profit generated is over $5.7 million. And total trades taken 2,874, out of which 2,849 were profitable, giving us a 99.13% win rate. Okay, so here we have AUD USD M15. In this case, it was $147,041.99, and then total trades taken were 1,249, out of which 1,232 were profitable, giving us a 98.64% win rate. And here in the case of Euro JPY, we have over $72.9 million in total net profit. Total trades 8,672, out of which 8,580 were profitable, giving us a 98.94% win rate. So one thing I observed across these tests is that the win rate is pretty high. The win rate is pretty high, and the average risk to reward ratio is not that bad. If you look at it, the average profits are actually bigger than the average loss. So this EA has an excellent risk to reward ratio, and sorry, it has an excellent win rate. The win rate is excellent, but the risk to reward ratio is just okay. It's not really excellent per se, but at least the average profit is bigger than the average loss. So that's pretty impressive. But then let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see. We're testing the Oasis EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and we are using the every tick modeling. We are testing over the past 3 months from March 19th, 2026 to June 19th, 2026. Looking at the report, I can see here the initial deposit is $10,000, total net profit 2,583.77. Total trades were 125, out of which 123 were profitable. Here again, we have an amazing win rate, 98.4%. Largest profit 71.82, largest loss 15.84, average profit 21.26, average loss 15.84. So this is pretty consistent with what we saw on the marketplace page. It's pretty consistent, right? Because we have an excellent win rate here as well, and then the risk to reward ratio is also good. Not that bad because the profit is bigger than the loss. Then let's go see this EA in action. So I'm turning on the visuals right away. All right. As I review the chart history, we can observe how the EA managed trades using the profit management and order handling tools available in the settings. Now, since the marketplace description specifically mentions pending orders, break-even functions, trailing mechanisms, and adaptive signal generation, these are useful areas to pay attention to when analyzing historical trade behavior on the chart. Rather than focusing on individual trades, I prefer evaluating overall consistency, trade management, and how the system responded to changing market conditions throughout the testing period. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Now, when discussing historical backtest results, it is important to remember that historical testing performance is not a guarantee of future results. Actual performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization choices. Overall, the Oasis EA for MT4 offers a highly configurable automated trading environment built around mathematical market analysis, flexible money management, and extensive trade management controls. As always, thorough testing and optimization should be completed before considering live deployment on a trading account. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.